got you feeling you shouldn't have fall with me. Got me thinking you was never the one for me. No. You know how to get me in my bag. You know how to make me mad. But I swear that I'm gonna ride into class. I got.
Right now, I'm just wiping my forehead with alcohol. You need 91% alcohol to wipe the surface of where you're gonna put the glue. I also don't do a ball cap method. Let me stop looking at this camera. So you're gonna need lace glue, Ebon spray. It is a 360 wig, so you're gonna need mousse. I mean, not 360. It's acrylic wig, so you're gonna need mousse. Some got to be gel for your edges. Melting spray.
We got a problem.
Now it just fits on my ear real perfect. I'm gonna take it off so I can add my powder.
We got a problem.
Okay. I've been drinking too many shots of. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 layers of glue. I need some more in my forehead. I'm making my spring bottle right now, so bottle with water. And then you're going to add leave-in conditioner. This is the one that I use. I think I got it from.
We got a problem.
I think I got it from Target. You guys see how like this side is almost, it's basically good except for right here. And then this one needs a little bit more. Yes, ma'am. I just got another offer. Yes. Yes. Do I want to wait a little bit more? No, I don't want to wait. I'm gonna put it on right now. Alright. Adjustment. And then you just gonna rub that in with your finger so it can stay do it like really hard, so like it can really sit in there and melt. So wrong with design. Even though I can't see what I'm doing.
We got a problem.
But I'm used to doing it, so I think it'll come out good. Girl, I am famous. We're not from the same world. Clip this in the back and then add glue around the perimeter with the tip of your comb or something really small. Other spots that don't have glue, you're gonna add glue in it. And then for me, I like to add it. Why does this keep doing that? This is good, now I gotta do it right here. This side is already dry, so we're gonna add the second layer. Alright, so now that this part is done, this side is almost done, so we're gonna wait. Okay, so this one is done. We're just gonna pull it down and then get your corner. All right, so now the next big step is this. Okay, so now I'm done spraying. I'm about to clean it out, brush it out. This part is still dry. Girl, let me just stop. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this one in. We're gonna leave this in for 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna diffuse my hair. Like down, 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 down. Yeah, I like my wigs to be, not my wigs, my curly wigs to be flat and loose. I don't like nothing puffy. Oh, too puffy. Yeah, this is good. This hair is actually pretty good. It's still a bit wet. It's still a bit wet, so I have to let it dry some more. I'm not sure if I want any baby hair. Maybe 2 on the side. But it looks good without no baby hair. Let me pluck right here somewhere. A little extension. We're gonna pluck it some more. Let's see, do I like this side? Which one do we like better? This side? Or this side, like a deep side. But if I do this, I have to. And now this is where we use this. Don't be smoke. I got cheek. Stick it too long to get hot.
We got a problem. problem.
I got the concealer. Now let's do some more plucking. So this can look really good. I'm gonna like try to do
We got a problem.
I'm feeling boozy. Take shots, take shots, take shots, shout out the shots. But drink, I'm trying tonight. Thank you guys for watching my video. Even though it was chaotic, I don't even know if I'm gonna be talking. I mean, why is she calling me? Mwah. Make sure you follow, like, and subscribe.
And if I put you in these VVs, you shine brighter than the moonlight. Gotta get the moon right, the moon right. Reason why I love